Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to Cardon's Hub. Today I will be sharing with you how you can use BibGuru to generate your references. Mind you, this is the part 3 of this video. The first video talks about how you can cite, generate references. What are those things that you need to put in place if you want to generate references? The part 2 of the video talks about how you can use Microsoft Word to generate your references. Why this part 3 of this video? In the previous video, I may mention that you can use online generator to generate your references. So this is the part 3 of the video. The part 3 of the video is just trying to explain how you can use an online platform to generate your references. So today basically I will be taking you through how you can use BibGuru to generate your reference. Mind you, this is a platform where you can learn more about tech, keeping you abreast of tech updates, keeping you abreast of how you can conduct research for professional and non-professional, and also keeping you abreast of of different social issues, and how you can effectively analyze social issue. For this, all you just have to do is to keep you updated on the relevant videos which I will be dropping. All you just have to do is click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification button. So back to where we stop. So today I will be taking you through BibGuru, as I said earlier. So all you just have to do is open your browser, whether Chrome, whether Firefox, whether Explorer, whether Mozilla, anyone you feel like. Open it, then click here, type in this address, BibGuru, BibGuru.com. Once you finish, it will pop out this page. Once it pop out this page, the beauty of this platform is that it doesn't require signing. Although there's a sign in and sign up there, is optional for you. It doesn't require signing as written here. It doesn't require signing. All you just have to do meaning you can use this platform even without you registering. So all you just have to do is click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will automatically bring this up, meaning you don't have any source already. So the next thing for you to do is pay attention to the style of your references. Although I did a video on how you can choose different style, which you can familiarize yourself with this video if you are not aware. So choose the references style you want. Is it upper style you want? Is it MLA? Is it Harvard? Is it Chicago? Choose anyone you feel like. Once you choose, for this particular video I'll be making use of Harvard. So it will automatically change here to Harvard style of references. Once it's changed, then we start. The next process is to take note of which references sources am I citing. What is my references sources? Is it website links? Is it books? Is it articles? As I said earlier in my previous video, the way you cite website links is quite different from the way you are going to cite books. It will also be quite different from the way you are going to cite articles. So let's start with websites. Assuming that this is the website that you got the information you used in your write-up and you want to cite it, all you just have to do is copy the links of this write-up, which is on the top bar. Just copy it, Ctrl+C, then paste it here. It will automatically generate it for you. Once it's generated for you, you see website. Click on add. Once you click on add, once you click on add, then this is how it will generate it for you. Then click on, if it is a books, then click on books. Then come down here, let me look for a book which we can actually use. So assuming that maybe I'm going to use this, since it is a book reference, then I will paste it here. It will automatically generate book. You get. If it is a journal article, this is a journal article, I will copy it. I will copy, then I will do article, then I will do paste it. It will automatically generate it for me. Simple as ABC. So what you also need to pay attention to is, assuming that maybe you use a particular reference source and you are not sure whether it is a book or whether it is an article, you don't have to worry yourself. Even if you click on books, and maybe this is the references style this is the references that you want to use. Maybe this one, let me use. If you look at these references very well, we all know that this is a journal review, but I'm not sure whether it is a journal review, because some references can be conflicting, can be complicated sometimes, maybe especially for someone who does not have proper knowledge on how to distinguish between a books and a journal. So if you are not sure, all you just have to do is copy this. Once you copy, then paste it here. Don't forget that I choose books. Just paste it here like this. If you observe very well, it has already shown here that this is a journal article, meaning that you don't have to worry yourself. Even if you paste it at the wrong place, it will automatically tells you which type of references source you are pasting. So this is a journal article which has already shown, and don't forget that we click here and it's showing journal article, meaning it is a journal, meaning it is meant to be here, not here. So just click on add, as simple like that. Then for the more here, if you want to use more, the more is mostly used if you paste a particular references here and you discover that maybe there's a pop or notification saying no source found, or meaning this website cannot generate what you paste here, meaning it doesn't, in the references you paste here does not include some of the elements that this website can use to generate these references for you. You don't have to worry yourself. All you just have to do, you can input it manually and it will automatically generate it like this. All you just have to do is especially if you are citing a journal that doesn't update, or you are citing a books that doesn't update, you don't have a clue of the date or the year which such books or journal is being published. So all you just have to do is click on more. If it is a books, you are free. If it's a journal, all you just have to do is choose the one that corresponds to your choice. Then once you if it is an online source, you can click here, write the title of the book or journal, the author. For this, I will be choosing journal article. So title of the journal, for this, the author. Then for this, the journal title, maybe Journal of Child Sexual Abuse and Management, or Journal of International Management. Then the volume and the issue, I will put it here. Then the date published, if you have this, you can write maybe the date here, the date published here. You can just write it maybe 2013. then click on what? Click on add project. It's what? It will automatically, let's try it. Maybe title, child abuse. Maybe author James Law. Maybe year, maybe 2020. Child sex management, volume 12, issue 4. This is just an example. Just click on what? Add project. So it will what? It will automatically generate it for you, as simple as ABC. So once you finish, if you want to edit it, any of it, just click on what? Edit source. Anyone that you feel like, just click on what? Put your cursor at the place where it corresponds to what? To the references that you want to what? To want to edit. Click here. If you want to edit it, if you want to put in test citation, you do this. If you want to copy only these references, a specific references, click what? Click here. If you want to delete a specific reference, just click on what? Here, and it will be deleted. So for this, let's assume that maybe I want to copy. Maybe it has been copied. It will tell you that it has been copied. Or if I want to delete, it will automatically delete. Simple like that. So assuming that maybe you are done and you want to copy everything, you can just do what? Copy everything at once, and you save it. You can save it in a fresh page. Maybe you are still compiling, you are not done, you can copy it and save it somewhere. So because if you don't copy it, maybe if you are reloading, you are still reloading, it will automatically bring it. But after maybe like some hours, and maybe you've closed this browser and you are coming back again, you may not find it again. So it is advisable you do what? You copy it and save it somewhere. So you can either copy this at once and paste it in your Microsoft Word document, or you can what? Generate it manually using what? Word. Download it. It will automatically what? Download it for you. Look at it here. It has been downloaded. All of this has been downloaded. All of this has been done. Let's check it. So just to tell you that this has been downloaded. So it's as simple as ABC. So this is how BibGuru, if an online references generator, works. And I hope you've learned a lot in this video. Feel free to ask any question. If you have any question, or if you are not clear about any issue, you are free to ask, and I will be glad to respond to your question. So I hope you've learned a lot in this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also to turn your notification button so as to keep abreast of new videos which I will be dropping. You can also like, comment, and also share this video amongst your peer, your friends. So thank you very much once again, and also see you in our next video. God bless.